latest updates, subscribe to News9.
May 21st marks a very important day in Indian history as the nation remembers former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. Twitter was flooded with pictures of the former Prime Minister as several politicos remembered Rajiv Gandhi on his 29th death anniversary. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tribute to former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi.
On his death anniversary, tributes to former Prime Minister Shri Rajiv Gandhi.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi remembered his father as a true patriot, liberal and philanthropic father.
I am proud to be the son of a true patriot, liberal and philanthropic father. As a Prime Minister, Rajiv Ji has put the country on the path of progress. On his death anniversary, I salute him and my heart is filled with affection and gratitude.
The Indian National Congress remembered Rajiv Gandhi as a man who understood the needs of the young and old and was loved by one and all.
Rajiv Gandhi dedicated his life towards empowering women and advocating for a more equal society. Understanding the importance of women representation in India's power structure, he introduced the idea of 33% reservation for women in panchayats and nagarpalikas.
Karnataka Congress leaders Dinesh Gundu Rao, D.K. Shivkumar and others paid tribute to the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi on his death anniversary. It is believed that Rajiv Gandhi did not show much interest in politics and he was a pilot for the Indian Airlines. The Congress stalwart made his entry into politics after his brother Sanjay Gandhi died in a plane crash and then married Sonia Gandhi in 1986. After the assassination of his mother Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi took oath as the 6th Prime Minister of India in 1984 and he was also the youngest to assume office. Rajiv Gandhi served as the chief of Congress Party until the 1991 Lok Sabha elections. The former Prime Minister was assassinated on May 21, 1991 by the Liberation Tigers of the Tamil Eelam cadres in a suicide bomb attack in Sriperumbudur. Rajiv Gandhi will always be remembered as a great leader in Indian history for his fight for an equal society and for his vision for the future.